Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to connect Run, Map My Run with Weight Watchers application. First, you have to obtain or download the Map My Run application and the Weight Watchers. Then create an account in them and open the Map My Run application. And now you can export your workout until or to upload it to other applications. To do so, we need to go to the website of MapMyRun like here. And here we will find the first thing is the dashboard and the main menu. And now as you are scrolling down, you are going to find your different activities. I have here only two activities, so I'm going to choose one. Now, as you can see here, there is this activity here, and I'm going to click on this 3 points icon and click, and you can see here download as TCX. TCX files can be uploaded by many apps to import workouts. All the details of workout, like duration, the type of activity, also uh, the distance, etc., etc. And then you can upload these files with the other application. And after that you upload such as file, let's for example download this one, and they will be like this. And when you upload them, those applications or the applications with what you uploaded these files will get these informations from the downloaded files. So this is how you do it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.